Hello, for this tutorial I will be demonstrating how to set up some of the advanced search options in the Chrome browser. So we're going to go down here to our search bar and I'm going to type in cars, and it's going to bring us now to the results page. And as you can notice over here on the right hand side, you can see that my safe search is locked, which is something I demonstrated in an earlier tutorial. So you should make sure that you see that every time. And I'm going to come over here and click on images because we're going to be looking for images quite a bit here in technology class. And two of the main mistakes I see many students make is, one, they look for images or they find images that are far too small for what we need them for, or two, they find images that are not free to use by the public. And so I'm going to show you how to set up your search tools so that you can only look for those types of images that are going to meet our needs. So if I click on this button right here that says Search Tools, it is now going to give me a little option right here that says Size. And if I click on Size, I can now come down here and I now have a choice between large, medium, and then larger than or exactly. And I'm going to click on the large. And so now it has filtered this out to only the largest of images. And so now I can be sure that the pictures I'm looking at are going to fit my needs in terms of size. I'm not going to have any itty-bitty pictures that when I bring into Photoshop are going to become pixelated if I need to change the dimensions on them. It's easier to shrink than it is to expand. Now the second thing I want us to do is we're going to come over here, and there's this cog wheel that we used last time for the safe search. And if I click on that and I come down to this button right here that says Advanced Search, and I click on Advanced Search, it's now going to open up this set of choices. And if you come right down here, there's a little highlighted one that says Usage Rights. And right next to it says Not Filtered by License. So right now it is giving us every single type of file that's out there on the internet. Some we can use, some we can't use. If I click on this drop down bar, we now see that we have a number of choices. If we click on the one that says Free to Use or Share and then click on Advanced Search, we are now protected in knowing that every single picture that we come across is free for the public to use. And so that is two ways to narrow your search. One, to change the size by coming over here to Size and making it large, and two, coming over to the cogwheel, opening that, going to Advanced Search, and then changing your usage options. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks.